Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the MUNBYN FM226 label maker, a compact and wireless solution for all your labeling needs. This isn't your typical bulky label printer. It's designed for portability and ease of use. First impressions are positive. The FM226 boasts a 203 dpi resolution, which surprisingly includes grayscale printing. This means your labels can have a more refined look with shades of gray, making images and logos appear clearer than standard black and white thermal prints. The heart of this label maker is the MUNBYN Print app, available for both iOS and Android. The app is packed with features. Over 60 fonts, 1,500 icons, and a whopping 1,000 templates. Customization is key, and the app supports 6 languages, catering to a diverse user base. It's easy to create custom labels directly from smartphone or tablet. Battery life is always a concern with portable devices, but the FM226 impresses. A quick 2.15-hour charge provides up to 8 hours of continuous use. This is great for extended labeling sessions without needing to constantly hunt for a power outlet. The package includes a roll of 50 by 30 millimeters labels to get started, but it's important to note that this label maker is not designed for shipping labels. Speaking of labels, let's talk about the MUNBYN Generic Circle Series labels, GR. These Morandi Autumn Round thermal labels measure 1.96 inches by 1.96 inches, 50 mm x 50 mm, and are compatible with the FM226. Each roll contains 150 labels, and they're also compatible with other 4x6 printers, adding to their versatility. The autumn color palette is a nice touch, offering an aesthetic alternative to plain white labels. In summary, the MUNBYN FM226 label maker is a well-rounded device for anyone needing a portable and customizable labeling solution. The grayscale printing, extensive app features, and long battery life make it a standout product in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.